What's up, guys? I'm here for another video, and today is 4th of July, so this video is just going to be about the fireworks, if there's any. Here's my cousin, also making one. You can't see him? Oh wait, hang on. You can't see him because it's like pitch black, but you'll see the fireworks.
Guys, subscribe to him, The Platinum Life.
The Platinum Life, and go subscribe to him, Platinum Mods.
With a Z.
With a Z.
Oh.
Yeah!
God, that scared me.
Yeah!
That scared the crap out of me. Yo, did you see me? I was like, oh.
That was cool. That was a good one. There's a little show down there. Like, we can't see it though. Sad.
Daniel, look. You can still see some smoke up there. Like a big cloud of smoke.
Yeah.
Daniel, let's go running in the sand.
Are we allowed to leave here?
Dad,
What?
we're gonna go running in the sand.
Ha.
That's like right here.
There's a little show down there.
Running. Okay.
You look retarded with no pants on. Yeah.
You're so on fireworks. Look at them. They got the best show. It's like they're just like getting the best fireworks.
I'm filming the little bits down there.
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool. Oh, they're about to set one off.
That was weak. We need more action.
We need more. Someone get the big guns out here. Yo, dig in your feet. You get the hot sand.
I feel a little warmth. I see a little warmth down here.
There's a ton of smoke over there.
No, it smells good. Oh, that smoke. I want some smoke. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna make 2 videos so I can post both of them. I'm gonna make like 2 5-minute videos. Like stop the other one and then make another one.
House, boys.
How much charge do I got? Oh, you missed it. Dang. But that was weak. There's a little thing right there. I'd rather film this. Guys, this is not the delay of my video. This is the delay of the sound in the air. So don't judge the video about the sound.
This is so weak right here.
Hey, it's something.
Is this all they got? Is this little...
We should go down there. They're having like a huge party down there.
that's way big.
Like it's non-stop fire. Oh, they're about to set one off.
That looks like Disney World. Oh, that's so cool. Dude, I wish I got the curly ones.
We should have for our house. That was cool what we did. Go tell your dad we should go down there.
Nah. Dude, do you know how far that is?
And it's a simple 5-mile walk.
So simple. Mom, I like to see you.
I've done that before. That's easy. Look behind us some if we see sparks. That means, oh, they're sending one off over here. Finally! Oh, wow. You hear that? I thought something big was going to happen. Oh, wow.